Hello! Here we are at the Imagination Fabrication again. Today we're gonna have to sacrifice one Troy-built lawnmower's life. It's being converted into a 65-mile-an-hour lawnmower. Hopefully we'll be able to get 65 out of it. Sean seems to think that's a little dangerous.
That's a little rough.
A little rough?
A little rough.
I think we can go 65. I'm gonna pass you going down the highway on the lawnmower. Is it gonna happen?
I think we're gonna die.
I'll wear a helmet.
Safety precautions first.
So first thing we need to do. First thing we need to do is what? What, Sean?
We're gonna have to drop the deck.
Drop the deck.
Blades are no go.
No go on the blades.
Then we're gonna try something simple that every little kid's tried and reverse the pulleys.
Reverse the pulleys. See if we can't get it to go
faster.
A little
if that
faster.
Doesn't work. I think we might have to sacrifice one 800 razor for the motor.
Woo-ha! Here we are making some cutting modifications so we can fit the larger pulley up front. Go to the block. Alright, here we are working on the lawnmower again. So what we've done is taken the belt off the deck and made it our drive belt. Then we went to Cruco and purchased a huge pulley. Hopefully this sends us for a loop here. We just need to get the keyway, hook it all up, and test her out. Okay, we're running into one problem. We got our belts switched up, or our pulley switched up. We have one big pulley up front. We went from a small pulley to a huge pulley. We put a couple of idler pulleys in there, and we went to a really small pulley in the back. Our only problem is we need a centrifugal clutch somewhere so we don't have to push start it every time, and we need a chain because our pulleys keep coming off, or the belt keeps coming off, even though we got it tight as shit. So we're gonna take it for another run. We have offset the front so it makes left turns better. So it carries the front wheel right now to make left turns. Well, we're gonna try it out and see. He's losing it. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Holy fuck. Yeah.
Going too fast. It wouldn't turn.
It smelled like damn burning rubber. Sean tried to kill me.
That's a total loss right there.
No, we can fix it. We can fix it, guys. Oh, we can pop that headlight right back. Look, no damage. And the belt was still pulling. That's what I put that bumper on there for. You see that bumper? Working. Dude, you gotta see that. Dude, put the thing back to like it's supposed to be. That's a bad day right there. The good idea was